Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is the 17th episode of our series From Zero to Hero. If you want to sound more natural and confident in English, then this video is for you. Today, I will share 20 phrases that is very useful in English everyday conversation. If you feel stuck or you feel unsure what to do or how to continue a particular conversation, this is going to help you. Like if you are in doubt how to start a conversation or how to continue a conversation or even how to end a conversation. You don't know the right sentence or the right phrases or the right dialogue that you need to speak there. This video will help you how to talk fluently, confidently like a native speaker in English in every situation. So guys, let's dive in. So let's first start with greetings and introduction, the first part of a conversation. The first sentence is, "Hi, how is it going?" It's a casual way to start your conversation. You are asking the other person how they are doing. You can ask it like this, "Hi, how is it going?" The second one is, "Nice to meet you." Nice to meet you. You can say this to someone you're meeting for the first time, like, "It's good to see you," something like that. The third one is, "What's up?" What's up? It's a friendly, casual, informal way of asking how someone is doing. How they are, asking it in a friendly way. What's up? The second part is asking for help or information. This is very important when you go outside. So the first sentence is, "Can you help me with this?" Can you help me with this? It's a polite way to ask for assistance. It's a polite way to ask for help. If you need someone to help you, you can ask this. The second one is, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" Excuse me, where is the restroom? This is asking for direction. If you are in a hurry, you want to know a particular place, you want to know the nearby coffee shop, you can ask like this, "Excuse me, where is the nearby coffee shop?" Like that you can fill in near the restroom or the coffee shop. The third one is, "Could you please repeat that?" Could you please repeat that? It's a polite way to ask someone to repeat something if you did not catch up. Like if you did not heard what the other person say, you can ask this. The third part is expressing gratitude and apologies. Whenever you meet someone, when you're talking to someone, or if someone helps you or if you made a mistake, this is very important. Like you need to thank them or you need to say sorry, you need to say welcome. The first one is very common. "Thank you so much." This is a polite way to show gratitude. Like if someone did a help for you, you can say, "Thank you so much." You're thanking them for the help that they did. The second one is, "No problem." No problem. It's a casual way of saying welcome. Like instead of welcome, if someone said thank you to you, you can say, "No problem. It's all right. Like it's not a big deal. No problem." The third one is, "I'm sorry, it's my fault." I'm sorry, it's my fault. You are taking responsibility for a mistake. You are taking responsibility for something. So if you did something wrong or any mistake or anything silly, you can just say this, "I'm sorry, it's my fault." Now let's see how to make plans. When you want to make a plan with your friend, you want to meet them, how can you make a conversation? The first one is, "What time works for you?" What time works for you? You are asking the other person to schedule a meeting or anything. If you want to meet somewhere, you can ask them their time, convenient time to schedule the meeting. The second one is, "Let's catch up soon." Let's catch up soon. You can tell this to a friend who you want to meet soon. You can say in a casual way, "Let's catch up soon." You use this to suggest meeting a friend. Now let's look at some small talk. Like If you want to talk something casually, like you are in the middle of a conversation, you don't know how to continue it and you want to say something to continue that conversation, you can use this small talk. The first one is, the weather is lovely today, isn't it? The weather is lovely today, isn't it? This is a casual way to start a conversation or to continue a conversation. If you and your friend or colleague, someone is taking a walk in a park or something, you can say, it's a lovely day today, isn't it? The second one is, did you watch the game last night? Did you watch the game last night? This is asking about the interests or talking about recent activities to continue a conversation or to start a conversation. The third one is, how was your weekend? How was your weekend? You can use this to engage with someone on Mondays. It's like casually starting a conversation like, how was your weekend? What did you do on your weekend? Something like that. Now let's look at some phrases that you can use to end a conversation. I have to get going. I have to get going. You can use this to end a conversation. You are telling someone like, okay, I need to go now. Let's stop this. Something like that in a polite way. You're telling them politely that you need to go now. The second one is, talk to you later. Talk to you later. It's a casual and friendly way to say that let's talk later or to end a conversation. The next one is about expressing opinion. Expressing your opinion is very important. So let's see how to express your opinion and also how to ask someone for their opinion. The first one is, I think this is great. I think this is great. It's sharing your positive opinion. You loved it, you are saying it's great. The second one is, I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. It's a polite way to disagree or show that you are unsure about it. It's a way of showing uncertainty. Like your friend asked you an opinion about a particular dress and you want to say her that you're not sure about it, that you did not like it very much. So you can say like this, I'm not sure about that. The third one is, what do you think? What do you think? This is to encourage the other person to share their thoughts or opinions. Like you took a dress out and, hey, what do you think? So you are encouraging the other person to share their opinion about this particular dress. So guys, these are the 20 phrases that can help you speak fluently in English. Wait, it's not over. Let's see, how can you make these phrases a part of your daily life? You heard this, you know about these phrases, but you need to apply it in your real life. How can you do that? The first one is, write down your favorite phrases and repeat them often. Whenever you get time, just repeat it continuously. This can help it fix in your mind. The second one is, try to use them when talking to your friends or colleagues. Make situations and try to use them whenever you can. Don't hesitate to use these phrases. Actually, you can be very confident to speak to someone when you know these phrases, because you know phrases that are very simple but can take your conversation to the next level. It helps you speak like a native speaker. So you can confidently speak to someone when you know these phrases. So don't hesitate. The third one is to practice in front of a mirror and build confidence. Stand in front of a mirror, talk like in a conversation, use these phrases and try to build that confidence. The more you practice, the more natural these phrases will feel. And that's it for today. Start using them in your daily life and I promise you will see a big improvement. Which of these phrases is your favorite? Or if you know more phrases that can help you in your daily life conversation, don't forget to comment it down. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.